Welcome to day 28 of our English learning journey. Today, we are diving into tenses, the backbone of English grammar. In this video, we'll master all English tenses in a simple and easy way. By the end, you'll be able to use past, present, and future tenses correctly. Stay till the end for a quick quiz to test your knowledge. What are tenses? Tenses tell us when an action happens. Past, something that happened before. Present, something happening now. Future, something that will happen later. Each tense has 4 forms. Simple, basic facts or actions. Continuous, ongoing actions. Perfect, completed actions. Perfect, continuous actions happening over time. Present tense, talking about now. Present simple. Use for general facts, routines, and habits. Example: she reads books every night. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Present continuous. Use for actions happening right now. Example: she is reading a book right now. They are watching a movie at the moment. Present perfect. Use for completed actions with present relevance, past action with result in present. Example: I have finished my homework. They have visited Paris twice. She has read 5 books. Present perfect continuous. Use for actions that started in the past and are still continuing. Example: she has been reading for 2 hours. She has been learning English for 5 years. They have been waiting for the bus since morning. Past tense, talking about before. Past simple. Use for completed past actions. Example: she read a book yesterday. She wrote a letter yesterday. They watched a movie last night. Past continuous. Use for actions happening at a specific time in the past, ongoing action in past. Example: she was reading a book when the phone rang. They were playing football when it started raining. Past perfect. Use for an action that happened before another past action. Example: she had finished the book before dinner. She had cooked dinner before they arrived. They had left before I reached the station. Past perfect continuous. Use for past actions that continued for some time, long past action before another past action. Example: she had been reading for 2 hours before sleeping. She had been studying for 3 hours before the test started. They had been driving for 5 hours before taking a break. Future tense, talking about later. Future simple. Use for decisions, promises, and predictions. Example: she will read a book tomorrow. She will travel to London next month. They will call you later. Future continuous. Use for actions that will be in progress at a specific future time, action happening at a future time. Example: she will be reading at 8 p.m. She will be working at 5 p.m. tomorrow. They will be watching a match at this time next week. Future perfect. Use for an action that will be completed before a future time, action completed before a future time. Example: she will have finished reading by tomorrow. She will have completed the project by Monday. They will have left before you arrive. Future perfect continuous. Use for actions that will continue up to a certain future time. Example: she will have been reading for 2 hours by 10 p.m. She will have been studying for 6 hours by the time you come home. They will have been traveling for 10 hours by the time they reach the hotel. Practice these sentences and improve your tense knowledge. Test yourself with this quiz. Let's get started. She dash a movie right now. They dash us next week. I dash for 2 hours before you arrived. By 5 p.m., she dash her assignment. He dash here since 2010. Comment your answers below. Let's see who gets them all correct. Want to test your knowledge with more questions? Take our tenses quiz now. Click the link in the description below and challenge yourself. Now you've learned all tenses in a simple way. Keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English confidently. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more daily lessons. See you in day 29.